What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be going through a brand new job listing that was posted today. So this is a brand new job lead at Zillow. I've covered remote work from home jobs at Zillow before. However, they have a brand new position here, so be sure to stick around to the very end so you can hear about this brand new exciting opportunity, because this could probably be a job that is well suited for you. Also, we'll look at some other jobs available at Zillow right now. But before we dive into all the details there, I just want to remind you guys of my second channel, which is the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs for any category that I can find online. So these jobs range from beginner friendly jobs that require no college degree and also no experience. Some jobs here will provide you with paid training. Some will also provide you with the work from home equipment that you need. They'll ship it to you. Some are flexible in the sense where they'll allow you to travel around while working. So that is also a plus. If you're a digital nomad, then some of these jobs would be a great fit for you. And then we have other jobs that do require experience, do require a college degree, do require some specialized experience. So everything is going to be on this channel right here. And if you look at some of my previous videos, you'll realize that I'm covering some of the highest paying jobs for any category that you can think about. So for example, working at home as a media strategist, making $36 per hour, working at home in tech support worldwide, making $29 per hour, not doing calls, chat only. So a bunch of high paying jobs in here. So be sure to go over to the work from home channel, be sure to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, be sure to tap the notification bell. That way you never miss out on any of the new updates or new job leads that I post here. And I'll be moving all the work from home related content to this channel, the work from home channel. And then this main channel, I'll be repurposing for a different type of content. So if you came here primarily for remote work from home jobs or ways to make money online, then be sure to go over to the work from home channel. Now, with that all covered, let's dive into today's job lead, which is from Zillow. You should know who Zillow is. They're a popular real estate board where people go and they'll list houses for sale, for rent, land for sale. Pretty popular, one of the most popular, I should say. So we should all know about Zillow. Currently, they're hiring for a supervisor of customer experience, but also they're hiring for many other jobs. And most of the jobs here at Zillow are remote work from home jobs. And not only remote work from home jobs within the US, but there are also jobs outside of the US or outside of North America. So for example, a couple of jobs here posted, location is Mexico City. So if you are outside the US, then you could still go through the jobs here at Zillow and you may be able to find a job probably remotely that is inside your country or the city that you reside in. But today we're going to be taking a look at this position here that was also posted today. So it is a brand new job lead. So this is the supervisor of customer experience. And working in this role, you will be second level or a second level technical resource and an escalation point for the customer experience team. Successful candidates are equipped with a positive attitude and are naturally self-starters. And this is an excellent opportunity, as they say here, to gain new experiences with a world-class team. Now, as for what you'll be doing in this role, you'll provide direction, instructions, and mentorship to team members, manage flow of remote day-to-day operations, serve as a point of contact for department technical and customer-related questions and issues, improve productivity by highlighting areas of opportunity in agent performance, training tools, process, and employee engagement rather, receive and resolve critical issues from customers, report on operational KPIs, work with customer experience manager and director to roll out departmental team initiatives, and also demonstrating leadership principles by showing you care, empowering, getting results, and engaging in effective, clear communication. Now again, this is a full-time remote opportunity, so you can work from anywhere inside the US. All you really need is a quiet workspace to work from, distraction-free. Now for the salary range here, they listed a few states here, and for these states in particular, the pay range, or the base pay, was anywhere from $68,000 to $109,000 per year. So depending on where you are, even though this is a remote work from home job, the salary scale may be a bit different, so keep that in mind. But there was no set salary for this position. I guess it just depends on where you're located. But I went over to Glassdoor, I did some research, and I found what the average was. So we'll look at that in a bit. But also, these are some of the things that you need for this job. So excellent organizational skills and ability to multitask and prioritize, strong digital literacy with Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and database. Associate's degree or higher in business, that is preferred but not required. Background working with call center benchmarks and performance metrics is preferred but also not required. Strong leadership skills, and also encourages feedback and consistently strives for greatness and personal improvement. So that is basically what this job is about. Now, if we go over to Glassdoor, Zillow is listed here. I mean, this is a major company. They have over 2,000 reviews. Overall rating here on Glassdoor is 3.8 stars out of 5. So fairly good. They also have quite a bit of good 5-star reviews here you guys could go through. But as for salaries, I wasn't able to find a salary for this particular position here, but there are a bunch of salaries here, over 5,000 reported salaries, so you could look at what other job roles are paying. So for this particular position, I went to ZipRecruiter, and the average here is gonna be around $57,000 per year. So based on Google AI results, the average is around $57,000, or about $27 per hour. But if you're in the top earners, you're making around $88,000. And if you're in the 75th percentile, then you're making around $70,000 per year. Now, I know here they did say that in some states you could make up to, I think it was $108,000 or $109,000. So this is the range, but based on the average, it seems that you'll be making more like around $57,000 per year. But if you're in the top earners, then that could go up to around $88,000. So this should give you a better idea of a more accurate salary for this position. But you could discuss this more in the interview, but that's what you can look out for based on the averages reported on ZipRecruiter. So with that said, if you are interested in this job, I'd say go ahead and apply as soon as possible, because usually after posting these new job leads, especially when they're new, they're remote, they're high paying, and they don't require a ton of experience, they usually go pretty quickly, and the job listings are closed or pulled sometimes within the same day of posting the video. So be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as possible if you are interested. Also, be sure to go over to the second channel. I just posted another remote work from home job lead there as well. And before you guys go, just a quick reminder, the pro resume templates are still here. If you're struggling with your resume, you know it needs work, you're not landing any interviews, then it could be because your resume needs work. So these are professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. Simply means that your resume won't be discarded, won't be filtered out, actually now stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So in turn, this lands you a lot more interviews, and then in turn gets you more job offers. So here you get 3 resume templates. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions. This way you can customize them while still keeping them ATS compliant. Also 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters if you want to use those, and a bonus video here, a screen recording of me showing you guys exactly how you can edit these templates very quickly using Google Docs, which is also free. You can use this on any device, on your phone, on your smart TV, tablet, iPad, laptop, just about any device that has the internet and a web browser. So that's also a plus. Don't need to pay for Microsoft Office or any other paid software to edit these templates. So with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. I hope you find that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for, that pays you a ton, gives you all the flexibility you need. But again, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.